Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make very beautiful and easy drawings. We'll begin by focusing on fundamental techniques. Starting with basic shapes like circles and squares forms the foundation of any drawing. Remember to use light pencil strokes for your initial sketches, allowing for easy corrections. Consistent practice with simple lines and curves will significantly improve your hand control. Observing everyday objects around you can provide endless inspiration for your artistic journey. To make your drawing process enjoyable and effective, having the right tools is key. You'll want a selection of pencils, perhaps ranging from 2B to 6B for different shades and line weights. Good quality paper, such as a 90-pound drawing paper, makes a noticeable difference in how your art looks. Always keep an eraser and a sharpener close by for quick adjustments. A blending stump can also help achieve smooth, professional-looking shading. Creating beautiful drawings involves a few simple techniques. Adding depth through shading can transform a flat image into a three-dimensional one. Try using cross-hatching, which involves drawing parallel lines in two or more directions to create texture and darker shadows. Drawing from reference photos is an excellent way to learn proportion and detail. Most importantly, don't be afraid to experiment with different mediums and colors to find your unique style. Consistent practice is the most crucial element for improvement. Try to dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to drawing, even if it's just sketching simple shapes. Begin with easy subjects, like a single fruit, and slowly challenge yourself with more complex scenes. Regularly reviewing your older drawings will allow you to clearly see your progress over time. Sharing your artwork with others can also provide valuable constructive feedback, helping you grow as an artist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.